Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to enable dark mode in CorelDraw 2024. So let's see. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Corel software. After you open up your Corel software, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on Tools, then from Tools go to Options, then right here make sure you click on Customizations, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply navigate to Theme right here. Under the theme, you can click on here and then simply switch to dark. And in a few seconds, everything changed to dark mode, just like what you see right here. Now, you can also change the color of the border and the desktop background of the Corel software. What we want to do for you to change the window border, what you need to do is to simply click on here and then color wheel is going to pump up from here. You can choose another type of color, just like what you see right here. Once you're satisfied with this one, simply exit. And the color is going to be there as saved. Then you can also change the desktop color from the dark gray right here. You can click on here and choose another type of color that you like. Then once you're done, click on OK. And then everything here has been fully customized to dark mode, and we have fully customized the header. Then the next thing we want to do is to simply come down below right here, and we'll make sure we click on OK. And by default, we have our Corel software to fully turn into dark mode. If I press Ctrl N just to create a new page and you have something like this, then the next thing we want to do is to simply hit on OK by default, and then you see the work environment, everything about CorelDraw right here has been fully customized to dark mode and different color for the header. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable dark mode in CorelDraw. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial about CorelDraw topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.